Hi, welcome. I'm Priscilla Batzell. This is Expressionist Fluid Art Studio Gallery's demonstrations and tutorials. Let's have some fun. So I've got a 14 by 14 inch canvas. I just added some medium black paint to, and I want to get funky. I'm not sure what's going to happen now, but this is Decor Americana 24 karat gold. This is white pearl metallic. Got some frozen. I mixed up some Snapdragon recently. I was missing it. I've seldom used lately Sea Monster, but it seems like a good idea right now. Maybe pull the top off if I can. Can't forget Fandango. I've got a whole lot of greens ready to go, but I'm not sure how many I'm going to use. It's Fandango, like I said. I might want some more of that. Got Hummingbird Wing. Ooh, that's a pretty color. Little Peacock. Some Triple Sec. Some Wintergreen. I want some purple in there too. I've got Royal Galaxy and Red Violet. I might even add a little Dancing Fuchsia in a second, if I don't add the cerulean blue. Which is hard to resist. What did I say I was going to add? Dancing Fuchsia, didn't I? It's a lot of paint, but I can always tip my canvas. I'm still going to go for some Dancing Fuchsia. I want something dark in there. I've got perfect indigo. Yeah, that is perfect. It's a lot of paint. I want a little more too. I'm going to grab my cell activator right after I throw that spatula in the bucket. Move that out of the way. Grab my white. I wasn't going to use white. What was I going to use? I was going to try gold. What I really want is black and white. And I think I'm going to use a different... I have a few choices. Maybe I'll leave them all here in case. Probably the smaller one will come in handy. Let's make sure that my black cell activator is shaken and open. I might want edge catcher, I'm not sure. Oh, I got one. Now I want to make sure, I'm dyslexic, so I want that on the left edge. Really don't know what I'm doing, but I always say that. It seems to work out okay. Seems like something's in there. No, it's just a bubble. Okay, so I like that. And I think I'll do it again. And I'm expecting to tip. I want plenty of cell activator. Just let it run together. meant to put an angle on things, but I suppose I can still tip them at an angle if I want to try. I'm inclined to go ahead and try the Cobalt Teal from Atelier. Time to mix some more, I think. Oops. Let's start at this end. Now that leaves me all kinds of room for the smallest. I'll just throw this in the bucket. I'm going to go ahead and break in the new mix of Dancing Fuchsia. If it'll open. I'm going for the double, maybe the triple combination. I've got silicone rubber brushes, so I don't have to waste any paint by wiping it off. And I've got acetate tools that I might want to use for a variety of things. They're handy and waiting. I want a smaller one than the ones I got. Of course I do. I want to grab the cell activator. I never did tip, and I need to. Alright. These tools are great for picking up residual colors. Really didn't want to destroy too many cells. I'm going to try and tip this if I have an edge catcher that's even remotely the right size. I'm sort of glad I have edges to hang on to. Maybe I'll tip that up first. And bring it down again. I kind of want to pull that up a little more. I'm going to let it go down first though. See if we've got any flow going. Everything's moving a little bit. Got some great colors, some awesome cells. I'm going to use all that color that morphs down. Obviously got, don't drop it, obviously got extra paint. Come on. That is too rough. Nothing's dripping anymore, but that's okay, because I kind of like the uneven. Oh, it is, it's moving. Cool, huh. And I can take the paint off my edge catcher, if I so desire. I can move this right into place right now since I got nothing better to do. I'll paint shifts. I'm getting very painty. I'm going to take a second to get that off of me, I think. I need a bigger workspace. I know I say that all the time. This is going to be perfect for covering the edge on the other side. With this one right now. I was going to use it to add some texture to the top, but I'm not sure I'm going to need it. Yeah, I'm taking a chance on ruining my beautiful cells, but got to experiment, or you never know. Alright, so the bottom's covered. And I've got enough paint left to cover a good portion of my edge. Just apply it along the top half, and then to the bottom edge. Just let the spatula blade kiss it. But I like what I've got. I'm going to torch this in a second. I'm going to waggle a line because it's just too straight for me. And I probably should have done it before I torched, as I will usually tell you, but oftentimes if the paint is really heavy you might get away with it. Hopefully I did. And I want something to change the color of this rivulet. So I'm going to try and do that. Do I see anything that needs changing really badly? I don't know, I think we're okay. Thank you for joining me. Please give me a thumbs up. Thank you for sharing my videos. Thank you for watching longer. My email address is easpb and the word gallery spelled out at gmail.com if you'd like to inquire in artwork. Linked here you'll find Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links, a couple of my websites, my Amazon link. Volumes 1 and Volumes 2 of my books are on the Amazon link because I can, and Unlimited Possibilities, the first and the second 100 videos I made for YouTube. Questions are welcome and encouraged. My community board will show you tomorrow's video. Thank you. Thank you to all my patrons. Thank you to the members. Thank you to those of you who use PayPal to make a donation to keep me painting. Thank you so much. I appreciate you guys endlessly, and you inspire me always. My paint pouring recipes below show more. Thank you for being here. Bye for now. Priscilla out.